Hey everyone, this is Andy back with another video. So I'm going to show you my new mods on my CRV. It's going to be a quick video of what I did. So starting out with the first one, this is the black chrome black gloss emblem. So it was basically pretty simple. I just got to pop out the old one. There were like two little clips in here. It comes right out, and I just use glue, silicone glue on the back as an adhesive, and it was just placed back on there. So it was pretty straightforward. This is what it looks like. So that's actually the first mod I did, and the second mod is right underneath here. It's a plate, a skid plate on the bottom, and there's a video where people actually show you how to install it from College Hills Honda, and this is what it looks like. So that's from the front. So it gives a little more, effect of the skid plate for a more rugged look, and that's about it. And that's for the front. And the rear, I actually installed the matching part to this, which is, it's also like a skid plate but for the rear, and that is sort of like a bumper protector, but it gives it a unique look, from a regular CRV from 2012 to 2014. So that's about it. So that's a quick look on my other new mods. So I'll see you in the next video. Like and subscribe. Till next time.